Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a US-based LLC and manage your taxes for e-commerce entrepreneurs. I'm going to basically show you how to set everything up the right way when it comes to forming your business, managing your business, running your business in the USA for e-commerce. And you could literally start your US business from anywhere in the world. Doesn't matter where you're based. And I'm going to show you how it's going to be very, very easy on you to ensure compliance, to get all of the essential documents for banking, for taxes, for e-commerce, for all your payment processors, for all your partners, right? I'll show you how you could easily set up your sales tax, your reseller certificates, your registered agent services, and then of course your important bookkeeping and your taxes, your annual filings. Literally everything is done for you when you use Doola's Business in a Box. I highly, highly recommend this. You see the link directly below this video. You're looking at Doola.com and Doola's Business in a Box. This is literally everything that you need, not only for forming your business in the US, but for managing it, operating it, keeping it in good standing, all the requirements, the forms, the documents, the taxes, the bookkeeping. Doola does it all. You see, Doola is for doers. Really, really great team over at Doola. You're going to be in great hands. You see, backed by the best. It's a Y Combinator company and a lot of huge companies, a lot of e-commerce brands, probably a lot of brands that you know and maybe have bought from, are working with Doola to simplify their back office. And of course, we're talking about U.S. business formation. You don't need to worry about any of the paperwork. You don't need to worry about any of the requirements or the forms, right? Doola's going to do it all for you, so you can just get up and running and start doing what you do best, selling, being an entrepreneur, building your brand. Doola's going to take care of the U.S. business formation. Stress-free taxes as well. It's all about staying compliant and really for a lot of us entrepreneurs, saving time. Right, a lot of stress, a lot of time spent, a lot of back and forth and spreadsheets and copying and pasting when it comes time to do your taxes for your business and your quarterly and annual reports, all that great stuff. Going to be handled by Doola. Business in a Box. It's everything that you need. Formation, bookkeeping, taxes, analytics, everything bundled together so you get everything you need and you get a great price on it. And you can see all the analytics that you're going to be able to get as well with your Doola account. And it's really cool because the analytics-wise, big deal, because analytics are huge, hugely important when it comes to understanding your business, staying on top of your orders and your inventory, but more importantly, understanding your revenue. Being able to know your true operating expenses, your gross profit, your net profits, right, your sales performance, how you've been growing, right, how you can maximize your growth. That's not just a little screen in terms of analytics. That's just truly understanding your revenue. And you'll be able to do all of that with the financials inside of Doola and the expert team handling it all. Analytics just part of it. Seamless bookkeeping. Forget about spreadsheets. Forget about the hassle. Forget about needing to document everything by yourself or hire someone to do it. Doola's going to do it with this Business in a Box program. You'll see the different options, and you'll be able to track your books the right way without any of the headache of doing it yourself. And, you know, Doola is a huge team, like I said, a huge team that's kind of added on top of your brand. Because now you're going to have people that help you with the formation, with the reporting, with the compliance, with the bookkeeping. Everything that you need, Doola can do it with you. And they have great assets over here in terms of learning, blogs, articles, right? They're true experts when it comes to e-commerce and when it comes to forming a business in the US and doing everything that's required to keep that business operating correctly. You see that there are some huge perks as well. You can visit the Doola marketplace. They've partnered with a ton of companies that you're probably already working with or considering working with. Get some great deals and savings over there. And so many huge brands, like I said, so many huge e-commerce brands are using Doola because it's built for e-commerce. It's built for founders. It's built to do the most important things that you don't want to do, the back office stuff, the formation stuff, the things that you're not an expert at, right? You want to open your Shopify store. You want to sell your product. You want to market your brand. That's great. You do that. Doola in the background is going to do everything that the back office would. Form your business, do the bookkeeping, and literally even more. You see some of the FAQs. You could learn more by clicking on the link directly below this video. Let's take a look at pricing. Really, really great pricing here, kind of different tiers depending on where you're at. And I always recommend the business in a box because it's going to give you everything that's listed on this page. Plus, you're going to get a real bookkeeper on your team, accurate financials, having the peace of mind knowing that it's done correctly. So you'll have your starter over here. This is going to give you free business formation. This is going to give you registered agent. This is going to give you the virtual address, everything that you need to get that US business bank account and, of course, open your own e-commerce brand. Here we have our total compliance. This is going to get you everything in starter. So you'll get your business formation, you'll get the virtual address, you'll be able to do everything essential to opening that US business bank account and running that US-based business. But you're also going to get do-it-yourself bookkeeping. You're going to get the business analytics. You're going to get a CPA consultation. And really what I love, state and IRS tax filings every year. Really, really powerful here. There's more as well. But it's that business in a box. You save 25% with annual billing as well. Everything that you get in total compliance. So you're getting that analytics, you're getting the CPA consult, you're getting the state and IRS tax filings, and of course you're getting what you get in starter, the business formation, the virtual address. But the best part, the thing that is really, really worth the dollars that you're going to spend here, dedicated human bookkeeper. Talked about financials and the importance of knowing your numbers, right? This isn't, AI or anything like this. You're going to have a dedicated human bookkeeper running your financials. You need to know your profit and loss. You need to know your most important product. You need to know your operating costs and your expenses. It's all going to be right there. It's going to be up to date. You're not going to have to worry about it anymore. That's why this is so valuable. And that's why I highly recommend Business in a Box. And you can see more about what you're getting over here in terms of these different plans. And you'll be able to deduct up to $5,000 for organizational expenses in the year that your business is formed. So it's a really, really cool way to save even more. It's an unbelievable value if, especially we're talking about that dedicated bookkeeping, thousands and thousands of dollars per year. You're getting that all included in the Business in a Box plan. Highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. If you already have a U.S. business, see that there are a couple different options here as well, like Pulse. It's going to allow you to take control of your business finances, get you with their bookkeeping and business analytics software. Of course, you could still go with Business in a Box. But if you're looking to start that e-commerce brand and you want to start it the right way, you want to have your business formed the right way, you want to have your store set up for success, then you need to do it all with Doola. You need to get your business formed with Doola. Let them handle your books. Let them keep you in total compliance. Let them do your IRS tax prep. They do it all, and that's why I highly recommend them. You see the link again directly below this video. Make sure you jump in. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer every single comment myself personally. Otherwise, I hope Doola really helps you build that massive e-commerce business of your dreams, and I'll talk to you real soon. Thanks a lot.